Number 2 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer. FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer is an optimistic, and FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer is an optimistic and thrilling addition to the world of 3D printing. Its impressive features and affordable price tag make it the best 3D printer for under $2,000. Get ready to dive into a world of limitless creativity. Featuring a generous build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 inches, 280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, this printer allows you to bring your wildest ideas to life on a grand scale. But that's not all. The Guider IIS takes the hassle out of leveling with its intelligent auto-leveling system, ensuring a seamless printing experience every time. One of the printer's shining qualities is its high-temperature nozzle, capable of reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius. You can experiment with various filaments, from standard PLA to exotic carbon fiber composites. No need to worry about power outages or unexpected interruptions. The printer will pick up right where it left off, saving you valuable time and filament. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.